She's a big tall hill, big fat cat, big large bill, front out flip like 10 car wheels, cold ass bitch. I give raw chill, 10 different looks, so my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. If you're new here, welcome. So we're just going to jump right into the products that I use. The first thing is this see-through foil. Then I took these black latex gloves. And then this generic conditioning shampoo. And it's just like the Clairol Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, but it was cheaper and it gets the job done just the same. So I used that. Then I took this shampoo. I'm sorry, not shampoo. What am I saying? This brush that I barely even used. And then the bleach that I used is this Blonde Brilliance bleach. I thought it would be best to take the corresponding developer for this bleach, so I used the Oil Infusion Blonde Brilliance developer. And yeah, we just gonna jump right into the bleaching process. So as you can see right here, I split the hair into 4 sections at the back, and then I split the hair into 2 sections at the front. And I want the bleach to be a little lighter right here, so I'm gonna start the bleach at the front so that those 2 pieces can be lighter, because that's the look I was going for. This is my first time bleaching any hair, so I didn't know if the bleach was supposed to be this thick or not, but that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just gonna bleach the front 2 pieces first. I started off using my hands, and then I was like, oh crap, the brush, I forgot about the brush. So I used the brush on the other piece right here, but actually it turns out that it's better to do it with your hands, and then just go back in with the brush and make sure you feather the top so that it's not a blunt line, you know, from the unbleached hair to the bleached hair. So yeah, you guys can just sit back and watch the rest of the video. I'll come back if I feel like I need to explain anything else. My impatient self didn't let the wig sit as long as it can take these laces off. I ain't let the wig sit as long as it should have. I washed it out in like 5 minutes because I was scared to over process or fry the hair. So I washed it out with that shampoo I showed y'all at the beginning, and the purple, generic purple shampoo. And then I conditioned it for like an hour, and then I blow dried it. Because I knew that I was going to have to dye it again, how it looked when I was washing it out. So I wanted to dye it again today, because this color is just like not the color for me, in my opinion. I don't know, it's something about it. It's just too something. Don't worry about the clothes, I ain't did nothing to it yet. It's probably pushed back, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this hair up close, and then I think I'm about to go ahead and dye it. And bleach it. Later, since I bleached this hair, put some Flexerize in the wig last night and I let it sit. It's honestly been like 3 days since I bleached this wig, so I just did my makeup. If you want to see this look, it'll be up on my Instagram, I think. Maybe, depending on how I feel about the footage. But yeah, so here's the wig. We just finna go on plopping on our head. That's about where it needs to be. Let's just go ahead and take the Flexerize down. I got my mirror right here because if y'all didn't know, I cannot see anything without my glasses. And I'm out of contacts and we're in quarantine, so I can't get any more because I need an eye exam. Now I kind of feel like out there glamorous extra, and I'm not sure if this matches my skin tone. Yeah, this is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me bleach this hair. Again, if you want to see this makeup or this eyeshadow look, I think it'll be up on my Instagram. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.